this video, we're going to look for the sums needed for the linear regression, A being the slope, B is the y-intercept, and using the TI-36X Pro to find these sums. All right, and then also find A and B. To do that, we go to Data, and then press Data again, and we want to go all the way down to number 4 to clear all the columns. Then what we want to do is we want to enter the data. 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter, 6, enter. So the first column we're going to call L1, which is X. L2 will be Y. We move over it with the D-pad, and we entered 14, enter, 12, enter, 10, enter, 9, enter. Now if it feels too fast, pause it, rewind it, and then just look at it again. The D-pad is very important to go back from one column to the other. All right, next. See, this is light blue, where it says stats, regression, distributions. So we press second, data, and then we go all the way down to 2 variables, because we have 2 variables, X and Y. We enter. This is a like a stat wizard for a TI-8384. X data is L1. Yes, that's the X. We go down on the D-pad. Y data is L2. Yes. And then frequency is 1, meaning there's only one set. Good. Then go down, and then press enter. Okay. Now we can get the values here. N is equal to 4, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 data points or pairs. Okay. And then let's see if we can find the sum of X. Sum of X is 18. Okay. Maybe the sum of X squared. 86. And then the sum of Y, very good, 45. And then the sum of Y squared, 521. And the sum of XY is 194. Okay. Now if we scroll all the way down, we can find the answer. In this case, A is equal to negative 1.7 and B is equal to 18.9. Okay, so the calculator is giving us the answer. We can plug in these values in here to find these answers. And there's also an alternative form for linear regression, which are these formulas here. Okay, using R, correlation coefficient, SY, which is the standard deviation for Y, SX, or the standard deviation of X. And then there's a way to find B by using the averages. The average of Y bar, minus A, which is this A, the slope, times X bar. So these values are in here as well. And if you scroll down over here, scroll up and down, you'll find it. You'll find that R, right, is negative 0.98977. And I'll put another number. The more numbers you put after the decimal place, the more accurate your A and B answers will be. SY. Now you can scroll up over here for SY. Here it is, look, SY. 2.217, right? 3. You can probably put more numbers. I'm a bit squeezed there. What else can I find? You can see that you can get Y bar, okay, 1125. So 1125. And then SX. SX, you can see what's 1.2 1.2909, okay, 1.2909, and you can also have x bar 4.5, okay. Okay, so these are the values you need to calculate A and B separately for the alternative form. So this video demonstrated to you, you put the information on the calculator, the TI-36X Pro, right? This pair of, or order pairs, right? And then you can find the sums, and then you can plug it into the formulas, A and B, if that's what you do in the class, or you do the alternative form for the linear regression by finding different values. In particular, SX, XY, Y bar, X bar. Good luck.